Thanks for watching and happy Pi Day. May your day be Pi amazing and Taolicious. Today I want to show you a beautiful app that I found that might make you addicted to Pi. Let's see. And it's precisely the Google Calculator, which has a special feature today where you can learn the digits of Pi. And it's a little game, you'll see. So let's play it. So press play. So 3.14. And then you just have to imitate the number 3.14. Yay. All right, next one. 3.141. 3.141. Hooray. Okay, next one. 3.1415. So that's as much as I know. 3.1415. Let's see what the next digit is. 3.14159. 3.14159. Very good. 3.14159. 3.14159. 3.1415926. 3.1415926. My previous record is 10, so let's see. 3.141415925. 3.1415925. It's like Jenga. 141592653. 3.141592653. Yay! Okay. 3.141592653. 3.141592653. Okay. 3.14159265358. 3.14159265358. Oh my God, okay. 14192653589. 3.1415926533589. Oh my God, okay. This is hard. 141. Die Situation mit brenzliger. That's what you say. Okay. 3.14159. No! Such a silly mistake. All right, so I lost the game, and maybe you did too. And again, try this one out. It is so much fun. And let me know in the comments how far you got. That would be really cool. All right, I hope you like this. And again, happy Pi Day again. So again, if you like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.